This is a room tour at Treasure Island, room 35066. And this is a 2-queen standard room. I got this on an offer for $59 on a Saturday night with no resort fees. So I think that's pretty good. I also have not stayed here in 15 years. But I think this might be the exact same room I had the last time I stayed here. But let's take a look. First, you got your bathroom, very big vanity area, which is nice. I remember it looking almost exactly the same, maybe a few little touch-ups. We got a bathtub and shower. Of course, your toiletries over here and extra towels. If you hear a chirp, it's the smoke detector. They're coming up to change the battery, but you know, that's not a big deal. But I think it's a little funny. Here's your closet right here. It does have fridge, which is nice. Ooh, it's cold. And there is a safe. Over there is your ironing board and the luggage racks and an extra blanket, and the hairdryer is up there in the corner. Of course, we have 2 queen-size beds. Everything looks clean. Everything looks fine. It's not super fancy at all. Oh, love the chirp. TV, adjoining room. Workspace if you need it. Also a very big mirror. I should insert a picture of me, I think, in this room from 15 years ago. You have your bucket and ice and cups right there, and this is our view. Not a bad view, looks really nice. Too bad the pirate show isn't still going on. Venetian is blocking the sphere. We are going to go see Backstreet Boys tonight, and that's why we're staying here. We can just walk across the street right there and get into the Venetian, and that's great. Oh, look, you can see the high roller peeking out right there, almost on the top floor. But this is a room tour at Treasure Island. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe, and until next time.